I don't know if you ever watch UFC, but Saturday night I watched UFC, and it was interesting to see the excitement that people have to watch people in combat. How they roar for their favorite person, how they just really get excited about seeing their favorite person in that octagon. A lot of excitement was there. But I was thinking of that compared to Live Good. There's a lot of excitement in Live Good also. But here's the reason for the excitement. And it's worldwide excitement. Why is it so excited? Why are people so excited? Because it's an opportunity that has been long in the wanting or the making. It has finally arrived. It's an opportunity where everyone has an equal footing. Come on now. If you've been involved in network marketing, you know it's not always an equal footing. You know, I was in there's another network marketing company a couple of years ago, and I left it because of what I saw. They saw, this guy was never part of the company, and all of a sudden, boom, he's at the head of the company. He was brought in by the company, probably paid some money to be brought in. He was an influencer, but he was brought in and he was given a position at the top of the line in the company. And so many people were overwhelmed with adulation that I thought, no, that's not fair. That's not fair. He was given a team. He wasn't even proven that he could make a team. When I saw that, I just got discouraged with the business. And this is why people are so excited about Live Good. There's no bringing in people and putting them at the top of the leaderboard, putting them at the top of the company itself. There's no master distributors in Live Good. It's an equal opportunity business. But here is something why it is so global and so much excitement, more than at a UFC fight, more excitement. It's because it's not a momentary excitement like we saw at a UFC fight. It's 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 a it can be a permanent excitement because your team continues to grow for this reason. It's affordable. $49.95 to get started, and only $9.95 after that to maintain it. It's a subscription program. Absolutely phenomenal. Most network marketing companies, you've got to buy products. You've got to have an auto ship. You've got to pay $80, $90, $100 for one product because the commissions are paid out on their products. So on average, after 3 months, people leave because they're spending more money on products than they are making money. But in Live Good, there is none of that. There's no auto ship. There's no overpriced products because the company does not pay commission on the sale of products. I have never sold a product in Live Good. Why would I even try to do that? There's no commissions on it. People buy products and Live Good because they want to, when they want to, because they need to. Excuse me. Not because they have to maintain a position. So that's why there's so much excitement. But here is the real excitement. We all get a 2x12 forced matrix. And it's on the forced matrix that people get paid on. So as your team grows, your income grows and grows and grows. And what's happening with Live Good worldwide, there are places around the world, names that I've never even heard before, where people are making phenomenal amount of money because of the opportunity that Live Good gives everybody and the affordability of it. But not only that, how easy it is to duplicate. Yes. Live Good with the $9.95 gives you 3 websites, and one of them is our tour line. We call it our power line. If someone has sent you this video, ask them for their tour site. If not, just go to the description and look at the tours. Take the tour. It's a 6-minute introduction by the CEO. Then sign up for the free tour where you're able to do your due diligence and look at uh, the tools the company gives, the price of the products the company gives. Oh, by the way, the products, you don't have to buy any products if you don't want to. Oh, whoa! You don't have to buy any products if you don't want to. And that's why so many people are excited about this. Oh, they're buying products. Of course they are. But as long as you maintain the $9.95, you don't have to buy any products. I believe in those companies around those people who are having this phenomenal amount of success, and companies I can't even spell the names of the countries. I can't even spell. I don't believe they're buying products. They're paying their membership. But I do believe when they're making money from their membership, they will buy products, and they do buy products because it's evident they're shipping products to Asia, to Europe, all over the place. So the people are buying products. Don't get me wrong. But I always say don't buy any products until you're making money to buy the products. Let the company pay for the products. Where else do they make money? Everyone you refer to LiveGood, and they make money on their matrix, LiveGood gives you a 50% matching bonus. So say you had 10 people. No, say you had 100 people. Yeah. Many people are bringing 100 people in a couple of months, or even less than a month. 100 people making $100 each. You get 50% of every one of them. That's why people are excited. They're excited because it's affordable. They're excited because it's duplicatable. They're excited because it's so simple to pass on your website to people. And they're so excited because of the financial potential for everyone involved with LiveGood. Notice I said potential. I can't make any promises. I'm not allowed to make promises. But people are making tens of thousands of dollars right now. It's only 6 months old. And matter of fact, last week the company paid out $3 million in commissions, and it's only 6.5 months old. $3 million. That's a lot of money in commissions for a company that's 6.5 months old. And not only that, it shows how duplicatable it is because there's 480,000 people are already members in LiveGood, and they're growing by $3,000 people a day. That's why there's so much excitement in LiveGood. So it's time for you to experience the excitement yourself. Go ahead, click like, click the description, click sign up for the free tour, and then I tell you, when you do, I will send you a special 8-minute video that the CEO just made last week on the compensation plan. And once you see the compensation plan, you'll shake your head. You will shake your head, and you'll understand why so many people are excited about LiveGood. Again, it's affordable, duplicatable, it's simple to grow, and there's opportunity to make a good income and live good. I'm not promising you anything because I don't know your work ethic, but I know if you're willing to work, there's a great potential there to make some good income. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Oh, by the way, my name is Kevin. I live in Three Hills, Alberta, a town of 3,200 people, and I have a global business. And it's the global business that I'm running from my house because I have the internet. It's as simple as that. So join the excitement. Come and join LiveGood. Thanks very much.